Mr. President, these honorary doctorate candidates have been carefully examined and found excelled in their respective ministries and field. Therefore, may I present you to confer their respective honorary degrees.
In testimony whereof, by virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Board of Trustees and the faculty of the Union Biblical Seminary in association with IHOP University, Kansas City, United States, and Online Bible College, I hereby confer upon you the honorary doctorate degree of Doctor of Music and Doctor of Divinity and Doctor of Ministry and Doctor of Human Letters.
Doctor of Music, Zaithiam Daduhi'n Doctor.